Look at the second question, children. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. Make an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Okay. So I am considering as the tree as the height of the tree as BD. And at the point A, the tree is breaking and touching the ground at the point C. Okay. So this AD and this AC is equal because due to storm, from this point the tree is breaking and the topmost part of the tree touches the ground at C and it makes an angle 30 degree. They are given. And they are given that the distance between the foot of the tree. So B is the foot of the tree and the top of the tree touches the ground at the point C. So the distance between these 2 points is given as 8 meter. Okay. So these are the values given in the question data. This is the tree. They ask you to find out what is the height of the tree. Okay. So for finding the height of the tree, we must find out the value of AB as well as AC. If you are adding AB plus AC, AC is same as AD, isn't it? Because this part from here it is breaking and touching the ground. So this part AD as well as AC are same, equal. Okay. So for getting the height of the tree as BD, we have to add AB plus AC. We will get the total height of the tree. Okay. So this is the diagram for this question. So you must write let BD is equal to AB plus BD. Sorry, AB plus AD. AD is same as AC. Okay. AD is equal to AC. So AB plus AD be the height of the tree. Angle ACB, they are given as 30 degree and BC, the distance BC, they are given as 8 meter. These are the given data. So first we must find out the value of AB. For finding the value of AB, you see that this is the theta value. This theta values opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So which trigonometric ratios is the relation between op and adj tan theta, isn't it? So which trigonometric ratio we have to apply? Tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BC. Tan 30, the value is 1 by root 3. That is equal to AB. We don't know the value of AB. You write as it is. BC as 8. So AB root 3 is equal to 8. So what about AB, children? AB is equal to 8 divided by root 3. This we have to put as equation number 1 because AB is not the height of the tree. What is the actual height of the tree? AB plus AD is the height of the tree. So we must find out again AC value. Okay. For finding the value of AC, you see based on this theta value, we will have the adjacent side. This is acting as the hypotenuse. So adj and hyp. Which theta trigonometric ratios we will have adj and hyp? Cos theta, isn't it? For cos 30, next we can apply cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adj by hyp, that is BC. Cos 30 is equal to BC divided by AC. So cos 30, sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to BC 8 divided by AC. So AC root 3 is equal to 8 2s are 16. So AC is equal to 16 divided by root 3. So this is equation number 2. So we got the value of AB and AC. So what is the height of the tree? AB plus AC is the height of the tree, isn't it? Therefore, height of tree is equal to AB plus AC, that is equal to 8 divided by root 3 plus 16 divided by root 3. 16 plus 8 is what, children? 24. 24 divided by root 3. Rationalizing the denominator last year you studied, isn't it? So how to do the rationalization? See the denominator and multiply the numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor. So root 3's rationalizing factor is root 3. So multiply the numerator and denominator, multiply and divided by root 3. We will get 24 root 3 divided by 3. 24 root 3 divided root 3 into root 3, 3. So 8 root 3. So what will be the height of the tree? 8 root 3 meter. So root 3 value is 1.732. So if they are given the data in the question, means you can multiply with the 1.732. Otherwise you can write 8 root 3 meter as it is. Okay, children? Question number 3, homework, children. Question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So read the question carefully. So we will have a tower. Okay. So we must draw a tower first. AB is a tower. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. So I am taking a point on the ground as C. Okay. So AB be a tower. From this point we are viewing the top of a tower. Point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So angle is given as 30 degree. So where I have to mark 30 meter? Here this is 30 meter. Okay. They ask you to find the height of the tower. So see that this is our theta value. This is our opposite side. This is our adjacent side. So opposite side measure height of the tower I am considering as h meter. Okay. So that only we have to calculate it. So based on this theta, this is our opposite side. This is our adjacent side. So which theta value I can apply here? Very good. Tan theta. Hope and edge relation is on tan trigonometric ratios, isn't it? So we have to consider tan 30. Based on that, substitute the other values, you will get the measure of AB, that is the height of the tower. Understood clearly? So read the question carefully. Based on the question, you have to draw the diagram, rough diagram. Then calculation is simple. Okay. So let AB is equal to h meter be the height of the tower. And BC is equal to 30 meter. Angle, this is always a right angle. Okay, that you must put the symbol 90 degree. Right angle symbol you have to put it. Angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BC. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by BC 30. So AB root 3 is equal to 30. AB is equal to 30 divided by root 3. That is into root 3 divided by root 3. Rationalizing the denominator. So we will get 30 root 3 divided by 3. That is 10 root 3. That is 10 into 1.732 is our root 3 value. That is 17.32 meter be the height of the tower. So AB is acting as h. That is the height of the tower. So height of the tower is 17.32 meter.